Apple Mac Mini M5 and M5 Pro are about to change the desktop game forever. With rumors flying, chip leaks dropping, and performance numbers that might blow the M4 away, Apple's most compact Mac might just become its most powerful one yet. Here's the kicker. This could be the Mac Studio killer we've all been waiting for, in a case that fits in your hand. In today's deep dive, we're unpacking every leak, every chip spec, every performance rumor, and 10 insane new features you won't believe are coming to a Mac Mini. We'll break down what the M5 and M5 Pro mean for creators, developers, gamers, and everyday users. And yes, we've got the release window, pricing, and whether it's worth waiting for or not. Here's a polished script outline for a 10,000-word YouTube video on the upcoming Mac Mini M5 and M5 Pro, covering intro, leaks, specs, top 10 features, release date, and pricing. Quick tease of key angles. M5 versus M5 Pro chips, design continuity, cutting-edge ports, presenter, intro and video roadmap. Context. Mac Mini lineage recap, 2020, M1, 2023, M2, 2024 M4 and M4 Pro, emphasize 2024 redesign, chip details, performance breakthroughs, ray tracing acceleration, unified memory, Thunderbolt support, transition to M5 rumors, situating M5 across multiple devices, iPad Pro, MacBook Pro, Vision Pro, iMac, Mac Mini, identifier leaks like J873S, pointing to M5 Pro, Mac Mini. Conflicting delay reports. Desktop may still launch late 2025, laptops shifting to 2026, M5 and M5 Pro chip, specs chip architecture M5 Hex E-Core, Quad P-Core CPU, 12-core, GPU M5, Pro 12P, cores, 4, E, cores, 18, menos 22, GPU cores, fabrication TSMC 3 nanometers Gen 3, modest perf per watt gains approximately 15 to 25% memory, 16 GB base, 24 GB Pro support, up to 64 GB in Pro. Neural and Media Engines AI capabilities for Sequoia OS. Top 10 features. 1. Blazing CPU per 25% over M4.2. GPU upgrade. M5 Pro doubles GPU cores for 3D rendering. 3. Thunderbolt 5 standard on at least Pro, 120 GB transfer. 4. Increased RAM storage, 16 to 24 GB unified. Base storage jumps to 512 GB, 1 TB Pro. 5. Compact design retained with bottom-mounted power button. 6. Triple display support, possibly upgraded for M5 base to 6K TB5 plus, 18K HDMI. Closing parenthesis. 7. Efficiency gains 3 nanometers. Chip means cooler, more silent. 8. AI acceleration for desktop agents in macOS. Sequoia. 9. Pro-level Pro variant particle sim, DSP, creative workloads. 10. Longevity likely 7 years macOS support. Quiet update cycle, detailed leaks and evidence, Reddit commentary, uncertain if both M5 and Pro launch. Some users suggest wait. YouTube leak roundup videos detailing pricing, ports, comparisons. Release timeline, production underway late 2025. Possible launch November or Q1 2026. Delayed MacBook Pro Air pushes chip rollout. Desktop less impacted. Apple events context. iPhone 17, Incept. Mac Studio, Mac Pro, late 2025. Mac Mini likely at separate event. Pricing scoop. Base M5 at $599. M5 Pro at $1,399, matching current M4 lineup. Upgrade costs. RAM and SSD will push price upward. Trade-in strategy. Discounted M4 models alongside new inventory. Pro versus base. Who needs what use cases? Base for general, Pro for dev, video, 3D. Cost benefit. 16 GB versus 24 GB. Storage. GPU needs. Comparison. 2. M4 Pro. Whether upgrade is worthwhile. Comparisons and competitors. Windows, small form desktops. Mini PCs from Intel, AMD. Pros and cons. Apple's unified memory versus PC flexibility. Ecosystem value, continuity. macOS Sequoia, integration, countdown to launch and buyer advice. Should you wait or snag a discounted M4? Evaluate future-proofing versus immediate needs. Keep track of official Apple signals. October Nov. Conclusion and call to action recap. Why Mac Mini M5 is a watershed. Chips, ports, form, encourage likes, subs, notifications, community comments with opinions and use cases. That was a massive deep dive into the future of Apple's Mac Mini lineup, and honestly, the M5 and M5 Pro look like absolute beasts. From next-gen performance and Thunderbolt 5 to AI acceleration and slick Pro workloads, Apple isn't just making a small upgrade, they're redefining what a desktop mini should be. So the big question is, are you planning to wait for the M5 or going all-in on the M5 Pro? Is this the Mac Studio killer or just a powerful sidekick? Let's get that debate going in the comments. I'm responding to the first 100 replies personally, so don't hold back. And hey, if this video brought you value, tech insights, or just pure hype, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next leak, benchmark, or teardown. New content drops every week. And trust me, we've got big stuff coming on the iPhone 16, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and even the MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.